Welcome to the U.S. Immigration Portal. Join our WhatsApp group for the latest immigration news and updates. Link is given in the description. In today's video, we'll be discussing the significant updates recently announced by USCIS regarding Form I-131, also known as the Application for Travel Document. So let's get started. This form is crucial for many immigrants and non-immigrants in the U.S. who seek permission to travel internationally without jeopardizing their status. With these new changes, applicants must stay informed to avoid delays and potential complications in their immigration processes. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. What is Form I-131 and why is it important? Form I-131 plays a pivotal role in the lives of certain individuals in the U.S., such as green card holders, asylum seekers, and those with temporary protected status, TPS, who need to travel abroad. It allows applicants to request a variety of travel documents, including a reentry permit, advance parole, or a refugee travel document. Whether you're planning a vacation, visiting family, or handling an emergency, understanding the significance of this form is essential in maintaining your immigration status during international travel. Overview of the major changes by USCIS. USCIS has recently introduced a series of modifications to the filing process, eligibility criteria, and documentation requirements for Form I-131. One of the most notable changes is the streamlined filing process, aimed at reducing processing delays, which have been a frequent complaint from applicants. Additionally, USCIS is emphasizing stricter proof of emergency travel for expedited advance parole requests. These updates are intended to improve efficiency but come with new responsibilities for applicants. In this segment, we'll explore these changes in detail and what they mean for you. Impact on green card holders and asylum seekers. For green card holders and asylum seekers, these changes could significantly affect how and when they can travel. Green card holders using Form I-131 to apply for a reentry permit should be aware of the new biometric requirements and the timelines for approval. Meanwhile, asylum seekers applying for advance parole must now provide additional evidence for any travel deemed necessary for humanitarian purposes. Failure to comply with these new guidelines may result in delays or denials, so careful preparation is key. Step-by-step guide to completing the updated Form I-131. Now that we've discussed the major changes, let's walk through the process of completing the new Form I-131. First, make sure you gather all the required documents based on the type of travel document you are applying for. USCIS now mandates additional supporting documents, especially for emergency travel requests. Next, pay close attention to any updated sections on the form related to emergency justifications and travel itineraries. We'll also cover the revised filing fees and how to track your application status once submitted. How these changes affect processing times. Another crucial aspect of the changes to Form I-131 is how they impact processing times. USCIS has updated its internal processing systems, which is expected to reduce wait times for certain types of travel document applications. However, those requesting expedited services, particularly for emergency travel, will now face stricter scrutiny and may need to provide more robust evidence to justify the need for faster processing. Understanding these new timelines and how they fit into your travel plans is more important than ever. Final thoughts and tips for a successful application. In conclusion, the updates to Form I-131 are designed to streamline certain processes, but they also come with new challenges for applicants. To ensure a smooth experience, be diligent with your documentation, pay attention to the revised guidelines, and double-check that you've included all necessary supporting materials. As always, stay up to date with any additional announcements from USCIS to avoid any last-minute surprises. Thank you for tuning in to the U.S. Immigration Portal. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on U.S. immigration.